Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic week so far. Today we have made it to July the 23rd of 2025, and we have made it to day number 96 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what's going on, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are using one offer from ClickBank and in the Make Money Online niche. And also, we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full time income doing so. All right, within 1 year. So, if you guys want to get up to speed, please go back and watch the previous videos of this challenge, starting with day number one. So you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, so you can kind of see the progress and see, where we came from then till now. All right. So we finally made it to day number 96. We're climbing. We're almost to that first 100 days. And I'm very excited to be here, guys. And I'm definitely want to help you guys out any way I can possible. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right on over to the Miley Gen Secret back office. All right. So if you guys join the My Lead Gen Secrets today, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing difference is going to be emails that you have sending out versus what I have. And just real quick, if you guys have no idea what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 new subscribers. Okay, and what separates the two is however many accounts that you have. Okay, so if you start getting multiple accounts, you'll start having 200 leads instead of the 100 leads. Okay, and you're always going to have 100 leads on your last account that you sign up with until you sign up for another account, and then that account will have, or if somebody else signs up with you, they'll have you'll have the 200 leads in all of your accounts. So I would recommend getting multiple accounts. Right now I have 8 different accounts that I use, that I come in every day and I send out my emails. Adjust that camera a little bit. That I send out every single day, guys. I come in. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out all 8 of my accounts. It's super easy to do. And then I also have other stuff that I do online to make money. Okay. But that's not what this is about. This is just about one offer. Okay. And one service that we're going to use for this challenge. You will not hear me trying to promote any other program to you. I'm just going to promote this method only for 1 year. Okay. Now I will make other videos on this channel about other stuff that I do online later down the road. But right now, we're just going to focus in on this method, okay, and perfecting this method, okay, and seeing how much money we can make doing this. All right. So, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over 3 years, over 3.5 years, maybe. Okay, I haven't been keeping count, but I've been with them for a while, guys. I've promoted multiple offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. For this challenge, I'm using a service called ClickBank. Okay. And you can go to, it's free service. Basically, you can go there and promote offers for free, business opportunity offers. You can use those offers for free and get paid from promoting those offers. Okay. So that's what we're using. And we're using an offer in the business opportunity, the e-business, e-marketing niche is what it's called on ClickBank. Okay, and we're using a program called Live Chat Jobs. Social sales rep basically is where it leads to. All right. So this offer right here is probably one of the top offers on ClickBank in the business opportunity section. Okay, and this is why we're promoting it, because it's a top offer, and other people are promoting this offer and they're making money with it as well. I'm not the only one. Okay, or we are not the only ones. All right. So that's the cool thing about this. And we're just going to use this one offer, okay, for 1 year. And we're going to see how far we can go and how far we can take this offer. Now, you don't actually have to do exactly what I'm doing. They have other business opportunity offers on ClickBank that they do work and they do convert. Okay. So I just want to put that out there. You don't actually have to do this one. This is not, I wouldn't say, just the best offer out there for everyone. I mean, there's other offers that you will make money from as well. Okay. So you can pick which one you want, but the method is still the same. And all of those business opportunity offers have free email swipes. Okay. And that's what we're going to be doing. We don't have to go out and kind of make up emails and create brand new emails. We can use the emails in the back office, and these are known to convert. That's why they have them here for you. So you can use these emails to send out to your list, and you will see results. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on those email swipes. And these are the email swipes that we're going to use. Okay. We have 1 through 20. Okay. So we're going to promote all of these emails. We're going to send them all out. And then once we get down to the bottom, we're going to start with email 1 again, all the way down. Start with 1, all the way down. We're just going to keep repurposing these emails. Now, also too, you can go out to ChatGPT. You can use that to remake these emails if you want. I would recommend doing that as well. Once you send these 20 and you send these out maybe for, a couple times going through them, then kind of switch it up a little bit. Okay. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it super simple, and I'm just going to come down each email and then just send them out properly. I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. All right. So let's go ahead and grab one of these emails. Let me show you how easy it is to send out an email in the system. All right. So this is the method. So your back office is going to look like this. I've already sent out my emails, by the way, guys. I got a little bit ahead of you guys. So your back office is going to look like this. You're going to have these tabs coming across. This mailing system is where you're going to be hanging out at. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. So you're always going to be in this mailing system. You want to click on select all. Okay, what that does, it loads up your email so we can get ready to send them out. And we have a subject line right here, and we also have a body. So this is what I'm saying. If you guys can send out an email, if you guys know how to send out an email, then you can send out an email in this for this method. Okay, all you're doing is copying and pasting. Like, it's just super easy to do, guys. So let's go ahead and go up to the subject line right here. Here's the subject line, and we're just going to copy and paste. So let's go over here to the offer. We're just going to grab where it says subject line. Let's go ahead and grab that. Chat assist on the largest social network. Okay, boom. And we're going to come back over here. Boom. Just click on Control V. See how easy that was? Then we want to come down here and we want to make sure we click on perfect timing. And then we want to grab the body of text here. Okay, so you want to grab this body of text. All right, and come down here and we want to Control C. And then we want to come back over here to the mailing system and we want to Control A, Control V. All right. I feel like I've done sent this one out yesterday. So let me make sure here because this looks pretty familiar. Let's see if we did the same one. Okay, yeah. I think we sent this one out yesterday, guys. So let's go ahead and go to email number 8. I don't want to send out the same email. So let's go ahead and Control C. Let's come back here, up here, and let's just go to the subject line. Let's just take this out, Control V, all right? And then we want to come down here, Control A, and let's just take all of that out. And let's go ahead and come down here, and let's just grab all of this text right here. I think this is it, yeah. So we want to Control C, come back over here to the mailing system and Control V. Like, you see how easy that is, guys? It's just super easy to do. This is why I love this, guys. I mean, it's just so not hard to do, and it's very effective. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to take out where it says hi name. We want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here, Control C. We want to come down here, and then we want to Control V, right? All right, boom, super easy to do. And then what that does, we addressed our prospect by their first name. So if their first name is like hi Jermaine, hi John, hi whatever their name is, we're addressing our prospect by their first name. Okay, that's very important. Okay. So you want to come down here. Now, the cool thing about these pre-written emails, there's always a call to action text somewhere in the email, and it's usually in bold black text. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the bold black text, okay, call to action, phrase, okay. It could say, click here, get started now, click here to get started, click here to apply, hit this link, whatever, okay. So right here, it says click here. What I want to do is I'm going to just make this whole sentence a clickable link. So all you want to do is highlight it and come over here to the link tab. Now, also another cool thing about these offers is that they have, excuse me, they have affiliate links at the bottom that goes with this email. So underneath every email that you use, you don't have to go figure out where your affiliate link is. It's right here. It's all you have to do is copy it, Control C, and you have to take out your ClickBank ID. Okay. And you want to put in your ClickBank ID that you came up with whenever you create your ClickBank account. Okay. They're going to have you create like a username, so to speak. Okay. And you're going to use that, and that's going to be your ID whenever you're putting your affiliate link in. That way you make sure that you're getting credit and you're getting the sale for this email. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back over here to the mailing system. We want to Control V, and we want to take this out, right? So let's just go ahead and take that out. And you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Whatever that is, you want to put in yours. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. All right. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then what that does, guys, it turns that into a clickable link. What I like to do is make this a little bigger. So Control A and come down here, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys are feeling. And then right now, as you can see, this email is ready to go, right? We are addressing our prospect by the first name. We have your name down at the bottom. Okay. And then also a clickable link right here. Whenever our prospect sees this email, they're going to click on this link after they read the email and see what's available to them, okay, to make money, right? So down here at the bottom, you're not able to see this because I've already sent out my emails. And also, too, guys, you can send out one email every 24 hours, okay, which is pretty awesome. So every day you can come in, you can send out an email, you can create an email, and it can go out to the masses, guys. And you never know, there could be somebody out there that's very interested in your opportunity, okay? So underneath this email, there's going to be two buttons. One is going to say preview now, or send now. Preview or send now, right? So you want to click on preview. You preview the ad. It pulls up the email in real time. You want to click on this link to make sure that it goes to your affiliate link. And what you're looking for when you click on this link is you're looking for your affiliate ID in the URL. Okay, that's very important that you do that before you click send now. The last thing you want is to send out an email and it doesn't have your information in it. All right, guys. So that's very important. So make sure your affiliate link is in there. After you do that, click on send now. Boom. We just sent out an email in the mailing system, guys, and it went out to however many people that you have in your back office. All right. Now, this stuff is very easy to do, guys. If you guys want to get started, okay, doing this underneath this video, okay, if you go down here and you click on more, if you click on this link right here, this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom, click on that link. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret pet landing page. Go ahead and get signed up, guys. Get started working and start sending those emails out today. All right. So once you get signed up, then you're going to want to your back office, once you sign up, is going to take you to this page right here. Your back office is going to look like this. What after you sign up, what you want to do is you're going to want to sign out, and then you're going to want to paste this into your browser, and you want to sign up under your own account whenever you create your second account. Okay, so you do that using a different email address. You can use the same credit card, or you can or something like that, but you have to use a different email address. Okay, now there is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started with My Legion Secrets, and then $30 a month to keep the service. All right, and it's just a no-brainer, guys. Like that $30 is you're going to get that back. All right, plus some. All right, so don't think about the investment. Think about this is traffic that's going to stay with you. This is traffic that you can come in and you can send out and you can test out whatever offer to this traffic, guys, and it will work for you. Okay. If you come in and you stay consistent sending these emails. So the thing about these emails, guys, this is cold traffic. So these people have no idea who we are. We got to get them warmed up. We got to come with a nice email. Okay, send them to your affiliate link or a landing page that's looks nice. Okay, and then what end up happening is people will start get familiar with your emails. They'll start recognizing who you are, recognizing your offers, and they'll start trusting you, letting their guard down, and they'll start purchasing from you and buying from you. Okay. So if you guys want to get started, go ahead and get started today. I did leave the link below the description of this video. And then we did send out some emails last night. Okay. We did come here last night and we sent out some emails. Okay. So let's go ahead and check those emails and see how we did today. All right. So today is the 23rd. It looks like we did earn a rebuild today. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab and let's go ahead and check the results. All right. So we're promoting this offer called Social Sales Rep, which is right here. We got 719 hops, 693 unique hops. We got one order from impression, someone that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they did not buy for whatever reason. Okay. We did get a sale today. Okay. Which is really good. Okay. It's a free trial sale. We're going to get paid out in 3 days from this sale. Okay. We didn't get the free trials will not pay you the same day. They're going to pay you in 3 days. Okay. But we did earn a rebuild today. And let's find out where this commission came from. So we did earn money and we did get a new sale. So that's really good. Okay. So let's go ahead and find out where that sale came from. Okay. So let's go ahead and go into our account. And let's just kind of find out where that sale came from. So let's go ahead and click on the rebuild today. Okay. And you want to come down here and let's go ahead and click on here, right? Okay. When we do that, okay. So this sale actually came from someone back in May. Okay. And this is why I promote this offer because it has a rebill. It has a rebill of $20 every single month. Okay, that someone stays with the program. So this person signed up on the 20th for the free trial, right? And you get paid 3 days later. They got billed on May the 23rd. Okay, obviously this person is making money with this offer. Okay, which is really good because the longer this person is making money with this offer, the longer they're going to stay with us. Okay. So this person has stayed with us last month and they stayed with us this month as well. Okay. So this sale came from a couple months ago. Okay. Which is really good. I'm impressed. All right. So this offer, this is why I like promoting this offer because it has a rebill of $20. So every single month, all we have to do is get multiple people signing up for this offer, getting multiple free trials and get multiple people getting billed each and every month for the program. Okay. This is the myth to the madness, right? So this is this is what we are working to accomplish, right? So we get someone to sign up for the free trial. They get billed in 3 days. They get billed every single month afterwards on that same day they got billed, all right? And that's what happened right here, guys. The sale came from back in May, right? Which is good. This is what I've been talking about all the way up, leading up till now, that I'm telling you guys that these sales and these free trials, this stuff will start stacking on top of each other. So eventually, when we get multiple people signing up, we're going to get multiple people getting billed on different days. Okay. Sometimes we're going to catch somebody that's getting two people getting billed on one day or three people getting billed on one day. And we're getting that $40 day, that $60 day, that $80 day, right? The $100 day just depends, right? On up, right? So this is what this is what we're working to accomplish for this video series. Our whole objective here is, guys, to get multiple people signing up and get multiple people getting billed for the program each and every month. And this is good because this means that people are earning, they like this offer. Okay. And we're going to just keep promoting this offer, and we're just going to keep sending out emails every single day. Okay. We have, like I said, we're climbing to our first 100 day. And we still got quite a few to go, quite a few months to go, guys. I'm excited and I'm ready to get this thing going and get this money going so I can show you guys how it's done. Right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. Okay. And, I'm going to come back. I've already sent out my emails tonight. The cool thing about this algorithm, guys, we've been getting sales like every other day. You may get them back to back, or every other day, or every 2 days. Okay. I have not seen where we went 3 or 4 days without a sale. So that tells me that in the beginning, you get one sale here, maybe one sale the next week, or 5, 6 days, right? But now, as we've been doing this offer and we've been coming in every day, as you can see, when I've been sending out these emails, our results are starting to get closer and closer and closer together. Okay. So eventually, guys, the whole idea here is to get sales every single day. Okay. Here shortly, you're going to see where we're going to make money every single day. Okay. That's how long, the more work you put in this, the more you're going to get the sales and more it's going to bridge this gap. Okay. And we're going to start earning consistently income every single day and making weekly paychecks. All right. So stick with me. I'm going to end this video on that note. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to send out an offer, in the My Legion Secret service. Okay. And then I wanted to show you the results from last night's email. So I just did that. All right. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow. We sent out our emails tonight. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and show you guys the same thing and see if we got any progress, got any traffic, and earned any type of money tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.